Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Dexter, Cherry.
Dexter. Alright.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
How you doing? What's your name real quick and our full rundown?
Dexter, Cherry. I got a Platinum 18 Resilient Sounds on a Rockford Fosgate BDCP 1500 at a half ohm. Limitless 45 amp
What's
power.
up, buddy?
What's up, man?
Hey, I can demo all day today.
Oh yeah? Alright. What is the box specs?
4.32 cubic feet, tuned at 32.
So what is it peaking at?
38 right now.
38? Okay. I figured it was in the 30s, yeah.
Yep, that one starts at, I think, 37 when it's peaking at songs. I know that's a good one.
Yes, sir. Okay. Awesome. Who built the box?
Me. My build, my design, Madman Box Designs.
Madman Box. Okay.
My wife did the paint with unicorn spit.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah.
okay, that's the color. Got it.
Yeah, it's just blue, green, and a little purple mixed in.
Yes, sir.
That's like one of our first times playing with it. We did hers trying to look like a galaxy and mine more like an ocean.
Huh? Awesome. Good theme, man.
Yes, sir.
What size was that lithium? 25 or 45?
45.
45. Wow. All right.
Not bad.
And not bad. I was going to say not bad, man. And you're at 1 ohm, right?
Half ohm.
Oh, it was a half ohm. Okay.
Yep.
Got it. All right. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Dexter, Cherry.
Dexter. All right.
Yep, I went from the MD 12K wired at 2 ohms, giving it 8K, to the BDCP 1500, and that motherfucker is better to me.
Really? Efficiency.
Yeah.
And it's made for the bass.
Yeah.
Not just the highs and mids, because a lot of them Brazilian amps, they do well too, but
I've had no issues with them. I've ran the 3K, 5, 8,
Yep.
and 12, and had great results from them, but I got rid of the 12K, and then I found a trade deal for it, and I figured, you know, I ain't
Yes, sir.
going without bass. Let me throw it in there.
Yep.
And it's, I mean, it was 1 dB off from what the 12K
Yeah.
did.
Wow.
And it's just like, that kind of blew my mind.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yep. Appreciate it, man. Nice to meet you.
Have a good one, buddy.
You too.
I'm gonna see if you had a little strap. Just hang on there.
Appreciate the demo, man.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.